This walkthrough shows how to convert individual question responses into broader category scores. Category scores help summarize user performance or preferences across multiple questions. Open your Outgrow account and choose a numerical calculator. Select the questions you want to categorize. Click Add to add a section. Name each section based on the dimension you want to measure. Examples: financial readiness, marketing strength, lifestyle fit. For each question, choose the section or category it belongs to. You can simply move multiple questions to the same category by hovering on that question. Each answer option can carry different weights inside that category. Assign scores to each answer choice. These scores contribute only to the category the question belongs to. Each category produces a final numeric value. These category scores can be displayed to the user, used to trigger conditional results or recommendations. Go to Results screen. All results. Apply a sum function to add the scores for each dimension. Apply conditions using conditional messaging. Example: if financial readiness greater than or equal to 7, show this result. Preview the experience to ensure all category scores calculate correctly. Test different answer combinations to confirm roll-ups work as expected. Click on Go Live, publish the changes, and your category scoring system is ready. Use dimensions to deliver deeper insights and smarter outcomes. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.